In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset progress in Duolingo. Whether you've taken a long break and are looking to start fresh, or maybe you just want to adjust your language settings, I'll walk you through it all. Let's dive in and make sure you have all the information you need to successfully reset your language progress on Duolingo. First things first, you're going to want to open the Duolingo app or website and log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in and are greeted by your home screen, look towards the profile section. This is usually found by clicking on your avatar or icon in the top corner. Here, you can access various profile settings. Navigate around until you find the Settings option. It might be represented with a little gear icon, which is a common symbol for settings. Inside your Settings menu, scroll through the options until you discover a section labeled Language. Now, it's crucial to be cautious here because this is where you manage all your language courses. Make sure you're prepared to reset your progress because this action cannot be undone, and you'll be losing your streaks and your progress within the course. When you're ready, select the language that you want to reset. You might see an option that says something like Reset or Remove Languages. This is what you're aiming for. Once you find this option, click on it, and you'll be prompted with a message asking for confirmation. Take a moment to ensure this is what you want to do because this decision is final. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm your selection. Great work! You've successfully reset your language course. What this means is that your progress for that specific language is now set back to 0. You'll be able to start fresh with a clean slate and re-experience the language learning journey as if it were your first time. This can be incredibly beneficial for mastering tricky concepts or for re-immersing yourself after a significant break. And that's it. Resetting your Duolingo language progress might seem like a big step, but it's a fantastic way to reignite your passion for language learning and ensure you're fully absorbing the material. Remember, practice makes perfect, and sometimes starting anew is just the fresh perspective you need. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide on how to reset your progress in Duolingo. We've covered every step from logging in, navigating your profile settings, to finally confirming your decision. I hope this brings you closer to your language learning goals. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.